Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Then they did kind of share a video. Remember, rem to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No notification there no. Say the video be better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we say Ghana rich cake. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients ni na eden ewo ho. Yes, start it. Ebe use 500-gram butter na margarine, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons condensed milk, 8 eggs, 1.5 tablespoon baking powder. What the margarine na butter na sugar ni begu cake mixture mu. We are now creamy. Se woni bia betimi ayusu bowl any wooden ladle creamy. Se ne hese eye we are no abo egg no na we hwe de egum egg na yisu 8. What the vanilla kakra de aka ho na we beat na together. Emra butter mixture ni creamy no. Now what the 5.5 cup all-purpose flour. Na baking powder no so what the aka ho. One mixing now together. We are no wakohwe egu. Wo mixture na wo creamy no. But the begu mo little at a time. Aha no aye ready a obetimi the flour na start here de egum. Emra flour na mix ewie no. Na wo the evaporated milk no. Any condensed milk na eden aka ho. No wakoso eden ebiti. And I saw beating at a high speed. I am ready no do machine no. No kwatete go prepare cake pie mu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We are now baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, we will mama najo and sana was serve. Yep, my choice in the kind I will share video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No one notification bell no. Say the video be better one side Becca. Me na me tasty no. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. I think so. Very soft. Now this our Ghana rich cake. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.